Emotion in the chakras. Here's a really good way to work on your own issues and to understand a deeper level of what they're all about. And when I say issues, I mean emotions that you're feeling. So it's helpful to get an idea about the chakra system. And I'm going to use just a few chakras today to give you an idea. And they're the main ones that you need to think about. And that is the throat, the heart, and the solar plexus. Okay? So the solar plexus is the third chakra, located in the solar plexus area. It's called the fire chakra. And that is about digestion. And one of the main areas of digestion, besides just digesting your food, is digesting your experiences and your emotions. So emotional digestion is really important. And then you have the heart chakra, kind of self-explanatory, right? Emotions, like love, heartbreak, everything to deal with the heart, right? And then we have the throat area. And so the throat area is grief, sadness, unexpressed pain, feeling like you're not able to express yourself. When you're about to cry, maybe it's been a while for you, but surely you remember it as a child, if no other time. When the chin starts quivering before the crying, that's a throat chakra thing. The throat chakra covers everything from the ears, sinuses, throat, thyroid, thymus, all that kind of stuff. It's this whole area, and it's about communication, it's about listening, but mainly it's about speaking. So let's say somebody says, I feel sadness. I will always say, well, where do you feel it in your body? Right? And what is the physical sensation of that sadness? So let's say they feel that sadness in the throat. Okay, then I will get into what are you not expressing and try to get them into expressing their sadness in words, expressing the feeling. And a lot of times that'll go straight to tears. As soon as somebody hooks onto it, they may cry. And when they cry, they're actually releasing that sadness to a certain degree. They might, if it's a small issue, they might release all of it. If it's a lifelong issue, it could be the beginning of a process of releasing it. And that process could take some time. Now, if that sadness is in the heart, right, that's a little bit different than if it's in the throat. That's more of an interpersonal thing. That is more about just the sadness directly where that love energy sits. So it might be that rather than the sadness being something that you feel is blocking your communication, or your blocked communication's holding the sadness in, if it's in the heart, it might be blocking your expression of love. It might be blocking your ability to hug somebody in a genuine way that really has an impact, rather than one of those patting hugs that you don't really feel the person being engaged. Now, if you had that sadness in the stomach, solar plexus area, that might be about a sadness that is linked to low self-image. Okay, besides digestion, that chakra is about confidence and self-image. And so it might be this kind of deep loss of self-confidence, and the sadness as a result of that. Now, you take insecurity, right? Insecurity in the throat chakra might manifest as somebody that is insecure about speaking up, about expressing themselves. Somebody that second guesses their every word and is very self-critical. In the heart area, that insecurity might be an insecurity in terms of bonding with other people, maybe being heartbroken so often, maybe never having that primal connection to parents, so that they don't know how to bond, and that is kind of the basis of their insecurity. And if it's in the solar plexus area, it might be a deep insecurity that comes out of a lack of self-confidence, right? Now, these are really broad brush ways of using the chakras with the emotions, but I would just urge you to look up a little bit about the chakras. Just Google it, check out the really broad brush ideas about what each chakra means. There are also health implications. There are organs that are connected to different chakras. So the idea is that to the degree that you do not heal your emotions, then over time it goes from the emotional and mental level down into the physical level and can cause physical illness. For example, one time I went to a client, I said, "What do you want to work on?" He said, "Anger." And he said that he had anger issues and his father had anger issues. And then I asked, "Does your father have liver issues?" And his father had died of liver cancer. So that would be more about the meridians, and I might talk about that sometime else. But the idea is that whatever you don't heal ends up going into another area of your life. It ends up destroying relationships, careers, or your physical body. So it's really important to feel the emotion where it is in your body, and through the use of understanding just the basic rudiments of the chakra system, you can get an idea of the implications of holding this emotion in and not healing it. So when you link the emotions that you want to heal with the nearest chakra to where that feeling is held in your body primarily, you can get a lot of insights that help in your self-healing. And that when my clients can bring that information to me, it really speeds up getting to the root of things. So hope this was helpful. If you want more information on what I do in terms of healing and hypnosis and all the other services I provide, go to andysway.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.